Neglecting car care is a common issue in Chennai, causing suspension damage due to the city's notorious potholes and engine problems from missed oil changes. This can lead to hefty repair bills and long-term financial consequences. Save money by following a few tips. Stick to the manufacturer's maintenance schedule, get your car serviced at a trusted center, and do minor repairs like wiper and filter replacements yourself. This can help you avoid costly repairs in the future. Proper tire pressure is essential for fuel efficiency and preventing tire damage. Make a habit of checking your tire pressure at least once every 2 weeks and before embarking on long journeys to ensure optimal performance. Utilize quality oil and filters for your car's engine. Stick to the recommended oil type mentioned in your owner's manual, change it as per the schedule, and use high-quality filters to keep your engine in top condition and prevent future problems. Lastly, maintain your car's cleanliness, practice safe driving habits, and park your vehicle in covered areas. Regular washing, avoiding sudden acceleration or braking, and parking in secure locations can protect your car from damage and prolong its life.
Service Genie, car maintenance, made easy.